Monsoon in Maharashtra has its own charm. We wait for it all year, and when it finally rains, all we want to is to be outdoors, somewhere close to nature. Everything around looks so fresh, clean, and alive again. There are some weekends that don't need too much planning. बस वो जानी पहचानी सी मॉनसून की फीलिंग ही काफी है. That feeling to be in the hills, walking on wet trails and breathing in fresh air.
Namaste everyone. Welcome back to our channel.
So last Sunday, we packed our bags, left Pune early in the morning and drove towards Korigad. If you're looking for a short monsoon trek near Lonavala, this is a sweet one.
This is Lonavala Road, and if you go here, you'll reach Lonavala, and we are going to go here for Korigad.
There are two routes to reach Korigad, one from Lonavala and another from Harshi village. We took the Harshi route as it is less crowded and a bit more scenic, just the way we like it. The drive itself sets the mood. Green hills on both sides, rain tapping on the window, and that sweet smell of wet soil. This road is so peaceful. Look at the clouds on the mountains. So it is about 1.5 hours drive from Pune. As we approached the base, Korigad started peeking through the clouds. It sits at around 923 meters, decent in height but rich in charm. You will find a small parking area at the base. From there, the trek begins. The trek begins like most monsoon trails, slightly slippery, a little misty.
Wow. Nature is so beautiful.
And full of energy. But what I liked here was how open everything felt. You are not deep inside a forest, you're walking through clear paths with hills all around, and that wind constantly following you. It starts with a flat trail and then you slowly start climbing. It's not a tough climb. The trek is short and not very difficult. Just around 40 to 60 minutes depending on your pace.
So, we have started the trek. I think it is going to take 20 more minutes for us to be there.
I think more than that probably.
देखते हैं, बारिश आ रहा है, मज़ा आ रहा है, अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस होता है.
Like most of the time, we doesn't carry anything, and sometimes not even.
You keep climbing until you suddenly see the fort wall right in front of you. At the top, Korigad is calm. No drama, no crowd, at least not when we went. There's an old Shiva temple. Just like always, we end up finding him everywhere. We stepped in, rang the bell to tell him that we are here, and sat quietly for a few minutes. Next to the temple is a small pond. Nothing huge, but feels beautiful with all the mist on the water. We found a rock and just sat there, letting it all in. There is a trail that loops around the edge of the fort. This was the best part. It was so beautifully foggy. Felt like we were walking through the clouds. Couldn't see too far. And no one could see us. I actually liked it that way. The clouds were playing hide and seek. Every few minutes, you would catch a glimpse of a valley, and then poof, it's gone again. Sometimes the view doesn't matter as much as the mood.
Wow, amazing लग रहा है यार ये.
Maharashtra mein Kutambir vadi is one of the popular dish and it really tastes good also. Must try if you are not from here already.
So good.
Yoga Yoga Yogeshwaraya Bhuta Bhuta Bhuteshwaraya Kala Kala Kaleshwaraya Shiva Shiva Sarveshwaraya Shambho Shambho Mahadevaya Har Har Shambho.
After spending good time in the clouds and enjoying the views, we started heading back. Climbing down was quicker, but I was walking slow. Maybe just trying to stretch the day a bit longer. I love how Sahyadri's become a little friendlier during the rains. It's like nature brings people closer. It's a good, sweet place to go when you really want a quiet day in the hills. After the trek, we drove towards Lonavala. Our all-time favorite, doing nothing much, just randomly wandering and enjoying the weather. वैसे waterfall chase करने की feeling काफी different है. You always have that feeling of thrill, adventure and excitement. However, hiking a fort is a lot different than that. It's very slow, quiet and it really connects with you deeper. सह्याद्री के फोर्ट्स में कुछ और ही बात है. रास्ते चाहे कितने भी मुश्किल हो, बट वहाँ ऊपर से सब कुछ बहुत सुंदर लगता है. And it gives you that feeling of history, that feeling of how old Sahyadri is. Thank you for watching this video, and if you really enjoy these kinds of slow travels, I would love for you to be a part of this channel. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such wholesome travel adventures. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy and stay at peace. Namaste.